animal pictures on Instagram, and I started seeing safari ads or sort. And yours I noticed because of I came across your thing through Instagram. That's it.
Actually, I was scrolling through Instagram, so I saw a page called Wilderlust. Then I went through the page. Then I thought I should give them a try. So I searched their site, YouTube page, Instagram, and Shashank's profile. Then after that, I decided no, I have to give them a chance and planned Bandipur instantly. But then I guess 2 to 3 days I planned this trip.
For me, it's the third trip with the Wilderlust and wanted to explore the Bandipur National Park. So I have got the message by Wilderlust, and this is about the national park. So I wanted to explore it.
Well, I've been to Ranthambore, I've been to Kobat, and I've been to Tadoba also. But this vegetation and everything was completely different from all the places that I've been to up till now. It's really good, and I enjoyed the safari a lot.
Yeah, for me, Bandipur is something which we always pass whenever we go to Ooty or sometime to Tamil Nadu. But I never entered inside like this. So this is amazing. Amazing views, amazing flora and fauna. I really loved it.
As a forest, as a national park, Bandipur was great. It is filled with a wide variety of biodiversity, flora, fauna. I saw many type of birds, even if I couldn't name few of them. Like Sanskriti introduced us to a few familiar names and few botanical names of the plants and the biological names of the birds and all.
It was quite a nice experience. We got a lot of animals to see: a serpent eagle, gaur, a blended gaur, and on the second day we got a tiger sighting. It was a good sighting.
We saw the tiger, the leopard, then we saw the sloth bear, we saw the deers and sambar. Okay, and the birds we saw peacocks, hawk, vulture, eagle. I think plenty more, in fact, which I don't remember.
This one, gaur also, animals which we saw. Gaur, that was also amazing view. Lot of elephants, tusker, and still I can remember day by day what are all the things what I have seen. It was that much amazing experience. If we come to birds, crested hawk, and then serpent eagle, and lot of munia, and green bee eaters, sterlings, spotted dove. Spotted dove is something like which comes along with us. Yeah.
The memorable moment is main to see the tiger and leopards, and last moment we wish to see the bear also, and today only we at last time only we able to see the bear also.
The most memorable was the tiger, the gait of the tiger that was there, the way he was walking. My God, it was amazing. And then he sat down like a royal beast, and the way he was looking without a care in the world that what people were doing or what they were doing. He was doing whatever he wanted to do.
First time experience to watch tiger like this. I have seen in zoo, but not in safari, just like this. And the way it entered, the way it showed, it is amazing. And I think after, though it is a day, still I'm into that zone only. I can still see that.
The most memorable, firstly, so we saw the tiger from very far. Firstly, we just saw the face of the tiger, and we were like more eager and more excited to see that. But yeah, as a whole, like the whole tiger. So after that, we were the first jeep to spot the tiger. So that was very incredible, and we spotted the tiger very close. I was able to take that shot from my iPhone also. So that was very crazy experience for me, memorable experience for me.
the property was very good. It we felt like we are inside the jungle only. It's filled of of plants and trees, and the staffs were very well behaved, very polite, very cooperative. They kind of ask yeah, everything like, have you ate, do you need anything extra for your room, and they provide their numbers, and the property is excellent.
The driver Kishore was amazing. He actually went out of his way to make us see all the animals possible. Actually, we've ticked up all the animals that we've seen. They were amazing, and he's gone out of the way. Plus, he had great knowledge, absolutely great knowledge. We asked him a question, he had an answer ready. So that was also amazing, and he drew also really well.
Not only with the animals, even with birds, he has a lot of knowledge. Even with the sound, he can make out which bird is that. So when he gave enough amount of time for us to click those, yeah, that patience is required when we are going like this. It's not only on animals like tigers or leopards. Even for birds, the parakeet one where they were trying to mate, so he asked us, let's wait for some time and then we move. So it's really amazing.
Sanskriti was well versed with everything. She has the knowledge, every kind of knowledge about the wildlife, like about the tigers, about the flora and fauna, about the birds. She could spot anything like, yeah, this is that bird, yeah, this is like that, and she just narrates everything. She just narrates all her past experiences with tigers and everything, yeah, leopards, and she but tells in a very humorous way, and we love her, and we loved her entire trip. She is very sweet, very pretty, and she was with us all the time, and she took care of us very well.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.